Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Godzilla Among Us mod. Now, this is a little bit different. It's not an Among Us Godzilla skin like I've shown you guys how to draw before. This is the actual Godzilla mod from the game. So if you guys are liking these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you guys can always get notifications every time I post a new video. And definitely leave me some information in the comments so I know what videos you guys want me to draw. I can't always get to all of them right away, but I'll always try my best to make sure I can do as many as I can. But thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Godzilla Among Us mod, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make the eye of our Godzilla mod. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here. We'll make a little line that goes down, and then it's going to come back like a check mark shape. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes over and then up. And I'm going to make this line just a little bit longer on top. And right inside of here, we're going to make just a little line for the pupil. Starting out here, what we're going to do is we're going to make a little line that's going to go up, and it's going to travel up here and then come down for the top of the head. Then right over here, we're going to make the nose. We're just going to draw a little line that's going to go down. Then it's going to come straight down. Next, we're going to go up and down. Then we'll go up and down again. Then we're going to curve it up here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and in. And right here, we're going to go down, and then we're going to do a slight curve up to make the jaw. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes down, and another little line that's going to come down here. Starting here, we're going to add a little curved line. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down here to start the arm. I'm going to draw a little round line that's going to come back here. Then we're going to go up, and I kind of curved it in just a little bit. We'll bring this line down. Over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and then in. We're going to come down at an angle and then curve. Right here, we're going to add a line that goes down and then up, down and up, and down and up again for some claws. Then we'll just do two over here. Right here, we're going to kind of jump over this line. We'll make a little curved line to here. Now, starting back here, we're just going to make a nice line that's going to go up and it's going to come down. It's almost going to look like half of a heart. So we're going to go out and then we're going to come down here and we'll just connect this. Now for the foot, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. Then we're going to come back here. Next, we're going to go up. And then add a little curve right here. I'll add a little line that goes out and then in for one of the toes. We'll add a little line down for another one. And right here we'll make a line that goes up and then down for another toe. Then we'll do one that goes down and in for one on the back. Now, starting up here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We'll draw another line that's going to go down, and that's going to come right to these toes. We'll add a little line down, and a little line that's going to go up and down. Now we're going to jump back up to the top here and we're going to draw the back of our Among Us Godzilla mod. So we're going to start here. We're going to come down and we're going to go right out to here. Next, I'm going to start here. We're going to make it pointy and we're going to come right to about here. So we're just going to make it kind of pointy and come right to here. Now, on the top here, we want to add some of the different spikes. So the first spike we're going to do is right at the top of the head. We're going to go up. We're going to come down. We're going to go over and then down. Right here, we're going to go up and in. We're going to go up and in again. We'll go up and down really close. Then we're going to go out and down. Right here is going to be one of the biggest spikes, so we'll go out and then in. We'll go up and in. We'll make a big triangle shape that goes up and down. Up and down here, and then out and then in. Right here we're going to go up and then in. Up and down again, then over and in. Right here we're going to go up, over and down. Then we'll do a little tiny triangle shape that goes up and down. And right here we're going to go up, down, and then in. And they don't have to be perfect. I know I kind of went a little bit fast through some of those. Now let's add a couple details on here. First, right here, I'm going to make just a little bit of like a half circle shape for the nose. Then I'm going to add a little line that comes up for a tooth. And we'll add just a couple more teeth over here. I'm going to draw a little squiggly line on each knee. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. One that's going to come down here. We're going to make a line that's going to curve around here. And one more line that's going to come all the way to the end of the tail. Then we're just going to add a few little curved lines on here for some details. This one's going to go up and then come back down. And then these will just come across. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Godzilla Among Us mod from the game Among Us. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.